For 40 years, the public had no idea this experiment was even existed. The people involved thought they were being helped. In reality, they were being watched suffer. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Khalid Zaman once again before you as usual. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you something really shocking. In the early 1930s, a medical study was launched in the United States. Officials told patients they would receive free healthcare. Most of them were poor and trusted the doctors completely. They signed up believing the program could be save their lives. But there was a secret. The doctors never planned to treat them. The real goal was to observe what would happen if the disease was left untreated. Even when a cure was discovered years later, the treatment was deliberately withheld. So why did this stay hidden for decades? All reports were kept internal. Patients were lied to and told their conditions were being maintained. Doctors who questioned the experiment were ignored or silenced. The public never suspected anything was wrong. In the 1970s, a journalist finally uncovered leaked documents. When the story broke, the nation was shocked. Investigations began immediately, but for most victims, it was too late. The experiment was shut down. New laws were created to prevent this from happening again. But one question remains. How many other truths are still hidden today?